it's a bit of a secret language too. I like having a secret language. And even though right now my Yiddish is not really good enough to use it, but still it's a bit of a code. And I read an article yesterday in the New York Times about Hollywood hiring people to create languages for film, and how that's all started with Klingon. And not to compare Yiddish to Klingon, but that people become passionate about these things, and they were describing one of the creators of these languages getting up at his own wedding and like giving a speech in this language he had written. And the suggestion that language acquisition is more of a choice than a necessity. That sometimes we're born into it, sometimes we move somewhere and it is necessary, and other times we make a choice to learn a language, even if we don't expect to use it fluently. How many places really these days am I going to speak fluent Yiddish? Not a lot. And I would have to be quite particular about where I spent my time if I wanted to do that. And yet, the choice to learn a language is a choice to include culture in my life, a choice to include memory, and a choice to be something other than generic and mainstream. And I think in many ways that's one of the modern purposes of culture, or one of the one of the modern services of culture.